Chiliz is a computerized money for tokenizing sports and diversion. This is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for customary shoppers. Chiliz was made by the Socios.com stage to permit fans to interface all the more effectively with their number one groups. Cryptographic money gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the chance to partake in decision production for associations that join the Socios.com stage. What's the deal with the Chiliz cryptographic money cost? Find out in Chiliz cost expectation for 2023 to 2025. Our ongoing CHZ to USD cost update shows the ongoing Chiliz cost is 12 cents USD. According to our Chiliz cost expectation, CHZ cost is supposed to have a 0.21% reduction and drop as low as by April 24, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers recommends that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 87%, with a trepidation and eagerness list score of 53. Over the most recent 30 days, Chiliz has had 17 30th green days and 5.48% cost unpredictability. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is $12 cents and CHZ is buy and buy position no. 61 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Chiliz is $773,165,999.47, with a market cap of $6,718,673,450 CHZ. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, CHZ has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 6.15%. Chiliz has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of CHZ has expanded by 15.57%, adding a huge typical measure of 2 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Chiliz value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Chiliz will be 16 cents. The greatest level that the CHZ cost can reach is 19 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 17 cents. Likely return for money invested, 53.8% by CHZ value conjecture for February 2023 in light of the value changes of Chiliz toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 12 cents in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 11 cents and at 13 cents individually. Expected return on initial capital investment, 7.7% by WAC 2023. Chiliz value figure digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the CHZ cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 12 cents, while the most extreme could reach 13 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around 13 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment, 7.7% by CHZ value estimate for April 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Chiliz in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal CHZ rate they anticipate may be around 13 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 12 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 14 cents. Likely return for money invested, 15.4% by May 2023. Chiliz value estimate around mid-year 2023. The CHZ cost will be exchanged at 13 cents by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chiliz worth to 15 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 13 cents in May 2023. The most minimal and top CHZ rates may be 13 cents and 15 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 23.1% by July 2023. Chiliz value conjecture. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the CHZ cost will be around 14 cents. In July 2023, the Chiliz cost might drop to at least 14 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 16 cents in July 2023. Possible return on initial capital investment, 30.8% by CHZ value estimate for August 2023. Having examined Chiliz costs, digital currency specialists expect that the CHZ rate could arrive at a limit of 17 cents in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 15 cents. For August 2023, the gauge normal of Chiliz is almost 15 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 38.4% by September 2023. Chiliz value figure around mid-2023. The Chiliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 15 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the CHZ cost could vary somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 17 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 38.4% by CHZ value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Chiliz worth won't dip under at least 16 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is 18 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 16 cents. Expected return for money invested, 46.1% by November 2023. Chiliz value gauge digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of CHZ costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Chiliz will be around 19 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 16 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 16 cents. Possible return for money invested, 53.8% by CHZ value figure for December 2023 in view of the value variances of Chiliz toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical CHZ pace of 17 cents in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 16 cents and at 19 cents. Separately, expected return for money invested, 53.8% by Chiliz value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Chiliz in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Chiliz will be around 23 cents. The most extreme expected CHZ cost might be around 28 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 24 cents in 2024. Chiliz value forecast 2025 in light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Chiliz. In 2025, CHZ is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 33 cents and 41 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 34 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Chiliz and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base CHZ cost could drop to 50 cents, while its greatest can reach 58 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around 51 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Chiliz by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and least CHZ costs are normal in 2027, 88 cents and 73 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 76 cents. Chiliz value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of Chiliz. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical CHZ cost will be around $1.13. It could drop to at least $1.09. Yet it actually could reach $1.31 all through 2028. Chiliz value expectation 2029 consistently. Cryptographic money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Chiliz. It is assessed that CHZ will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.54 and $1.89 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.59 during the year. Chiliz value expectation 2030. Cryptographic money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Chiliz's cost. The year 2030 still up in the air by the greatest CHZ cost of $2.65. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $2.